This Premier Realty Grays Harbor property video is presented by Taraw Wentworth. This beautiful Central Park home is enormous and offers plenty of additional interior amenities once you step inside: gorgeous warm woodwork and beamed ceilings, great room, den, craft room, large family room loft, 3 bathrooms, 3 bedrooms, 2 playrooms with closets, and 1 super amazing indoor hot tub retreat. Outside, there's an attached 2-bay RV garage, greenhouse, garden, outbuildings, and a large Trex deck to overlook your own personal paradise. For more information, review the details below or contact Taraw Wentworth at 360-533-1900.